Welcome to software testing. Today we are going to discuss currency converter. Currency conversion program is an event-driven program that emphasizes a code associated with graphical user interface. When I say it's an event-driven, some action takes place when we click on some button. So when we use this button, that is if we click on this particular button, some action it is going to take place, so it is called as event driven. The application converts US dollars into any four types of currencies. It could be Brazilian reals, Canadian dollars, European euros, Japanese yen. Currency conversion is controlled by the radio buttons. Currency conversion is controlled by the radio buttons. When a country is selected, the system responds by completing the label. When you select the particular country, based on the selection, the system will respond by completing the label. Example, equivalent in becomes equivalent in Canadian dollars if the Canadian button is clicked. So you're going to enter the dollars, US dollar amount. If you want to do the conversion, okay, currency conversion into any of four types of countries, then we have to click on the radio button. Small Canadian flag appears next to the output position. Next to the output position, a small Canadian flag appears, if at all, if you have selected Canada. For the equivalent currency amount, either before or after currency selection, user inputs an amount in US dollars. Once both tasks are completed, user can click on compute button, or he can click clear button or quit button. So once the user has entered the value in US dollars and selected the particular country, then if the user clicks the compute button, then it will convert that particular US dollar into that particular country's currencies. So either you can click on compute button or clear or quit. Depends on the user. Suppose clicking on compute button will result in conversion of US dollars amount to equivalent amount in the selected country. Selected country's currency. Clicking on clear button resets the currency selection, that is US dollar. It gets an equivalent currency amount and associated label gets cleared. Clicking on quit button ends the application. So if you click on quit button, it will end the application. If you click on clear, it will clear the whatever the value you have entered in your US dollar amount and equivalent in, it gets cleared. So this is how this currency converter works. Next, we'll go with Saturn windshield wiper controller. Next applications we can have Saturn windshield wiper. How this Saturn windshield wiper works? So we are aware of Saturn windshield wiper. Let us discuss about the Saturn windshield wiper. The windshield wiper on some Saturn automobiles is controlled by a lever with a dial. Everyone has car, so how it is being controlled? Your automobile is controlled by a lever with a dial. The lever has four positions: off, int, low, high. These are the four positions we have in lever. The dial has three positions: 1, 2, 3. The dial position indicates three intermittent speeds. These are called as intermittent speeds. And dial position is relevant only when the lever is in int position. That means the dial position is relevant only when the lever is in int position. So it is relevant only when lever is in int position. The decision table shows the windshield wiper speeds, wipes per minute for the lever and dial position. So for lever with dial position, it will show the speed of the wipes. So if the dial position is at 1, and it should be relevant only when the lever is in int position. So it will wipe 4 times. If it is dial position at 2, then it will wipe 6 times. Similarly, if it is in position is 3, then it will wipe 12 times. NA means it is not applicable. Okay, off and high situation, not applicable. Okay, so this is about Saturn windshield wiper controller. Thank you so much.